Is it video? Yeah, okay. Alright, got some coon fried. Is there any squirrel in there too?
Squirrel,
Which one's the coon?
too long.
Right there?
Yeah, deer meat one there.
Alright, and you got some done.
That's squirrel and coon.
Alright, have you tried it yet?
Yeah.
Well, what's it taste like? What's it taste like? Tell me. It looks tender. Oh no. What's it taste? Tell me what it tastes like before I try it.
Right.
Huh? I'm just gonna try a little piece. This is coon. Oh Lord.
Okay.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Got more.
Tastes like chicken, huh?
Man, like sheepweed, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know. It's not, I mean, it's eatable. I guess if we had survived, we wouldn't go hungry. So he cooking it up. Tastes pretty good. I believe if you had put onions in it,
Might want to help.
it might have helped a little bit. But it's
Plenty of
not
salt and
bad.
pepper.
It's not bad.
Water's on. Salt too.
Alright, what you putting in there now?
That's
Deer meat. Alright. Alright, so there's the coon adventure. And you get, what y'all cooking now?
good.
What you got? Corn and
Okay.
potatoes in there. And fixing to purge some crawfish. Alright, we're doing all this for my son Caleb's birthday. Oh, let's see. I'm getting purging them crawfish. What are you doing? Putting salt on them?
Oh, yeah.
And then you fill it with water?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. To be continued. Y'all subscribe.